and everyone's going up and giving it and tell me in this house of mine. Your losses coming across me when the fans arrive. To help you win, but we all know the answers to that, cause you don't have fans at all. You won't lose to me, cause you're just a lonely castaway. Just another product of today. Rather be haunted than this prey. Try to there on the throne, cause you're a natural. I'm being heart of stone. You gotta be so cold to make it in this world. Yeah, you're a natural, living your life unknown. You gotta be so cold. Yeah, you're a natural. Natural, you're being covered of stone. You gotta be so cold to make it in this world. Yeah, your beatbox trash, just a mid-offy trash. The only visuals of your cringy content is the sleep verse is all from F and F mine. That moment down the drain went fast. So what do you think you are doing with crazy visuals like that? In case you didn't hear me say at that time, the only visuals he has on his vids. All the versus Oswald mod from FNF. That mod went down the drain very fast. We only win straight past 30, cause you're a pretty cold, cause you're a natural ability. Gonna be executed. Punish all the people come upon you. Punish all the bits of feet down, cause you're a natural. You're a natural.